Hey everyone, it's Fabian from Drum Lessons Bristol here. Today we're going to look at Fool's Gold by the Stone Roses. This is a really cool beat. The basic idea is very simple. It's just a looped 4-bar beat, which we're going to look at first. But this alternates with a 6-beat version of the same beat where the second and third beats have been repeated. So first of all, we're going to look at bar 1. This is just a straightforward 4-beat pattern. Okay, that was the basic version of the beat. We now need to look at the extended version because those two alternate. You get one normal beat, which is 4 beats, and then you get an extended version, which is 6 beats. So what happens here is that you basically repeat the second and third beats. So you play up to the end of the third beat, you repeat beats 2 and 3, and then you play beat 4 to finish off. And that gives you the second pattern. And then all you have to do, if you're playing along, is alternate the first pattern and the second pattern over and over again, and that'll give you the whole song. Okay, I hope that all made sense. It's a really interesting pattern, that, with the alternating 2 different versions of the same beat. And obviously those go out of phase and then back into phase with the rest of the music. Let me know how you get on in the comments. Check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe.